Have you ever woken up from a dream that felt so real it left you shaken? Or had a bizarre nightmare that made absolutely no sense? Dreams are one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind. What happens in our heads during sleep can be thrilling, confusing, and sometimes downright weird. So, let's dive deep into 15 mind-blowing facts about dreams that will change the way you think about sleep forever. Let's start with the basics. Everyone dreams? Yes, everyone. Even if you wake up swearing you didn't dream last night, the truth is that you did. During a typical night, you'll go through 4 to 6 dream cycles, mostly during REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. That's when your brain is at its most active during sleep, creating entire worlds for you to explore. But here's the kicker. By the time you wake up, 90% of those dreams are gone. Your brain doesn't bother holding on to most of them because they aren't useful for survival. Ever had a dream where you're running, jumping, or even fighting, but your real body doesn't move? That's because during REM sleep, your brain puts your body into a state of temporary paralysis called atonia. This is your brain's way of keeping you safe, so you don't accidentally punch a wall or fall out of bed while acting out your dreams. But sometimes, this system glitches, which can lead to a phenomenon called sleep paralysis, when you wake up but your body is still paralyzed. It's terrifying and often accompanied by vivid hallucinations. Have you ever had a dream about something random, only to see it happen later? This phenomenon, called precognitive dreaming, has been reported by many people. While scientists believe this is mostly a coincidence, or your brain piecing together subtle cues from real life, the experience can feel eerie. Some famous inventions, like the sewing machine and even parts of Einstein's theory of relativity, were reportedly inspired by dreams. Ever noticed how your dreams are packed with emotion, but often lack common sense? That's because your brain's limbic system, which controls emotions, is super active during REM sleep, while your prefrontal cortex, responsible for logic and reasoning, mostly shuts down. This explains why you can feel terrified of something ridiculous, like a giant marshmallow chasing you, or why you'll accept completely absurd scenarios as normal in your dream world. People who are blind from birth don't see visual images in their dreams, but that doesn't mean their dream worlds are dull. Their dreams are filled with sounds, textures, smells, and emotions. In fact, many report that their other senses are heightened in dreams, creating incredibly vivid experiences. Those who lost their sight later in life may still dream visually, but over time, their dreams may shift to rely more on their other senses. What if you could take control of your dreams and do whatever you wanted? That's exactly what happens during a lucid dream, when you become aware that you're dreaming. Some people can even manipulate their dreams, turning themselves into superheroes, exploring fantasy worlds, or solving real-life problems. While lucid dreaming doesn't happen to everyone, it's a skill you can develop with practice, like keeping a dream journal or performing reality checks during the day. Even the strangers in your dreams aren't strangers at all. Your brain is incapable of creating completely new faces, so every face you see in a dream belongs to someone you've encountered in real life, whether it's your best friend, a random person you saw on the subway, or even a character from a movie. Your brain essentially has a database of faces it pulls from when building dream characters. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Some of the greatest artistic works and scientific breakthroughs came from dreams. For example, Mary Shelley got the idea for Frankenstein from a dream, and Paul McCartney dreamed the melody for Yesterday. During sleep, your brain is free from the usual constraints of logic, allowing it to think in wild, creative ways. This is why the phrase "sleep on it" works. Your subconscious mind often solves problems better than your conscious one. Ever seen a dog twitch its paws, wag its tail, or bark softly in its sleep? That's right, animals dream too. Studies show that many animals, including cats, dogs, rats, and even some birds, experience REM sleep. What they dream about is still a mystery, but it's likely tied to their everyday experiences, like chasing prey or playing. But wait, there is more. No matter where you're from, chances are you've had dreams about falling, flying, being chased, or showing up somewhere naked. These common themes are reported worldwide and are believed to reflect universal human fears and desires, like losing control, falling, seeking freedom, flying, or feeling vulnerable, naked dreams. If you keep having the same dream over and over, it's probably not random. Recurring dreams are often tied to unresolved issues, fears, or emotions in your waking life. Your subconscious is essentially waving a red flag, telling you to deal with something important. Ever wake up feeling better after a tough day? That's because dreams help you process emotions and work through trauma. During REM sleep, your brain replays emotional events and helps you make sense of them, which is why people often feel more emotionally balanced after a good night's sleep. Sleep paralysis occurs when you wake up during REM sleep, but your body is still paralyzed. This can leave you feeling trapped, unable to move, and sometimes hallucinating vividly. People often report seeing shadowy figures or feeling an overwhelming sense of dread. While it's terrifying, sleep paralysis is harmless and usually lasts only a few minutes. Your brain works harder during REM sleep than when you're awake, processing emotions, consolidating memories, and solving problems. REM is when your brain organizes experiences, decides which memories to keep, and processes emotions, helping you wake up feeling refreshed. It's also a time for creative problem solving, as your mind breaks free from logic, often leading to innovative ideas. This heightened activity explains why dreams feel so vivid. They're your brain's way of exercising and preparing you for life. Far from downtime, dreaming is essential for your mental and emotional health. Want to remember more of your dreams? Start keeping a dream journal by writing down whatever you can recall as soon as you wake up. Over time, your brain will get better at holding on to dream memories, and you might even start remembering multiple dreams per night. Dreams are so much more than random images flashing through your mind. They're a fascinating glimpse into your subconscious, a playground where your imagination runs wild, and an essential tool for emotional healing and creative inspiration. Every night, your brain weaves intricate stories, replays memories, and even processes complex emotions, all while you're fast asleep. Whether it's helping you confront hidden fears, solve real-life problems, or simply take a mental vacation, dreams are one of the most mysterious and powerful functions of the human mind. So, which of these mind-blowing facts about dreams surprised you the most? Was it the idea that dreams can predict the future, or the fact that your brain works harder during sleep than when you're awake? Or maybe you've had a lucid dream and didn't even realize you could take control of it. Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this dive into the world of dreams fascinating, we've got so much more coming your way. Be sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss out on another deep dive into the amazing mysteries of life. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.